Okay, so before starting transformations on the graph, let's see what is parent function and how we are going to transform it. So suppose a parent function is, say, f of x is equal to x squared. This is my parent function, right? X squared. So x square always forms a parabola. A quadratic equation always forms a parabola. Now I will do certain changes into the parent function. First, I will add 5 to it. I am adding 5 to it, right? And in second case, I am subtracting 5 from it. They will show different kind of transformations. I am subtracting 5 from it. In third case, at place of x, I will do x plus 5. That means I am making changes with the variable part and nothing added or subtracted. And fourth one is like f of x is equal to x minus 5 whole square. So these four transformations we are going to learn. Now let's see what changes we have made. First is x squared. In the second one I have added 5 as a constant. In the third one I have subtracted 5 as a constant. That means number other than variable x. In the green one, I have added 5 within the square, and in the pink one, I have subtracted 5 within the square. Now let's see what this all is doing over here. So plus 5, that means I'm adding 5. Now let's see one thing. I'm adding 5. Adding 5 to what? Adding 5 to fx, right? In
Right.
the blue one, what I am doing, I am subtracting 5. What I am subtracting from? From where I am subtracting 5?
To
From,
FFX.
perfect, very nice. From f of x. Now here I am adding 5 with within square. That is different. Adding or subtracting as a constant. This is within square. So now I cannot say I am adding 5 to fx, because then this 5 will show another kind of value instead of adding. And here in the pink one, okay, I should
You're
follow the,
subtracting.
yeah, I am subtracting 5 within the square part. So adding 5 within square, within square. And here in the pink one, I am doing minus 1 within square. So now we will see what happens when we do these four kind of situations. When we add 5 as a constant, the parent graph will move up 5 points. First learn this, and then this is kind of theory, but then we will see why and how this happens. Now when I am subtracting 5, it goes 5 down, 5 points down. So adding constant or subtracting constant, these constant things help us in up and down transformations, and up and down is known as vertical axis, right? So those will be known as vertical transformations. So these are known as vertical transformations. Now, when we are making changes within the square, like here, then it is not vertical. First, let's see the theory. When we are adding 5 within the square, it will move to the left hand side. And when I am subtracting 5 from it, it will move towards right hand side, right? Subtraction will move it right hand side, addition will make it left hand side. So these are known as horizontal transformations. Horizontal transformations, that means they are moving on the x-axis. Now let's see one more thing. 4 points are this. One more thing. Because I am making changes in the square itself here. So it is x square, it is x plus 5. That means at place of x, I am replacing x with x plus 5. Right? So I'll write this function like this. So here I have not changed the function in purple and blue one. X is at x itself. But in the green one, I am replacing x with x plus 5. And in the pink one, I am replacing x with, what I am replacing with?
With minus 5.
Yes, x minus 5. So these four are the rigid transformations. Now what are rigid transformations? We did it yesterday. Let's take a quick revision. Rigid transformation, that means you are not at all changing the shape of the parabola. It is the same. So that is rigid transformation, right? You are moving it up or down or left and right. Now because we are in the very beginning of the concepts, like it's not necessary, just imagine, it's not necessary that either it will move up or down or left or right. It can also move like this, right? But when we are learning the concept, we will do these four only, and with the help of these four, we will make any direction of rigid transformation, right? So if you apply the formula, rigid transformations are, you can give single formula. I am just writing it, I'll explain it a little bit more in when we will be doing graphs. F of x is equal to x plus or minus some number. It can, when we do two functions together, we can put plus minus here. It can be plus, it can be minus square, and some plus and minus number here as constant, right? So that means we give it as h, or okay, if you want to make it simple, let's not put plus minus sign. So the formula is something x plus h whole squared plus k. We will give plus minus sign according to this. So this is the formula. That means whenever I am making changes with this h will show you the horizontal transformation. This is what it is doing here, right? So this is showing horizontal transformation. And this k here will show vertical transformation. So these when we are adding or subtracting, they are showing rigid transformations. But when we will multiply or divide, those transformations will not be rigid. They will change the shape of the parabola. So this is vertical transformation, right? Okay, now.
Right.